The launching of NUE's initial report on the rights of a child took place last Friday with plenty of support, not only from children and parents, but the whole community, including judges, high commissioners and members of parliament. The event saw continuing support by Minister Olaf Jacobson and UNICEF Pacific representative Dr. Isai Nimombi.
This is very important to our children in Niue, and the Convention on the Rights of the Child is for the children. Now, to you children, this doesn't mean that you have every right to boss your parents around. Yeah? This actually says to your parents to take good care of you, and to your government to make sure that parents in this country are responsible as good parents for their children.
Niue ratified or agreed to the Convention on the Rights of the Child in 1996, 14 years ago. That was a promise to the children of Niue that every child has a right to life, every child has a right to quality education, every child has a right to protection and care, and every child has a right to play. That's a major promise. And when you ratify the convention, you are promising, but also allowing the world to be the witnesses. And therefore, you have to account for it. You have to say what you are doing in addressing the promise that you made. So Niue is now accounting, by producing this first report, it is accounting on how it's fulfilling the promise to the children of Niue. We are the witnesses, the children of Niue themselves, but also with the officials, with the parents, and with the church leaders, and with the teachers, with the health team leaders, and so on. We are all witnesses in this major accomplishment that Niue is making. Now, the important thing for me and for you is that you cannot fulfill every right at a go. So when we are looking at the report, we look at what effort is being made. And we look at whether any more effort should be put into meeting those rights. So we know that it is a process that has to be incremental. It is a process whereby every official should be asking themselves, are we doing our best, or could we do more?
Even Chief Justice Patrick Savage attended, showing great support for the report. The launch ended with song and dance from the students of both Niue High School and Primary School.